Hello everyone, welcome to Unknown Facts. So students, in this video we will solve week assignment number 5 of the course Google Cloud Computing Foundations. So this week consists of in total of 10 number of questions, and we will start it from question number 1. If a host on a network has the address dash, what is the subnetwork this host belongs to? So the answer for this question will be option number D. Okay. Moving to the next question. Consider following statements and select the correct options. We just have to select the correct statements. Okay. Two statements are given. Statement 1 is in auto subnet mode. Range of address and range of addresses are expandable up to 16 only. Or statement 2 is custom subnet mode comes with predefined IP address. Option A is only 1 is true, option B is only 2 is true, option C is both are true, option D is both are false. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A, that is only statement 1 is true. Okay. Question number 3 is match the following hai. So the answer for question number 3 will be option number C. Okay. For UDP headers port number, the length will be 16. For internet MAC address, the length will be 14 8 bits. IPv6 next header will have the length of 8 bits, and TCP header sequence number will have the length of 32 bits. Okay. Question number 4 is what of the following are various types of routing algorithms? Non-adaptive algorithm, adaptive algorithm, accumulative algorithm, hybrid algorithm. So the correct answer for question number 4 will be non-adaptive algorithm and adaptive algorithm. Question number 5 is packet filtering. Firewalls are vulnerable to hardware vulnerabilities, MITM, phishing, spoofing. So the correct one will be spoofing, that is option number D. Okay. Question number 6 is what is a VPC, virtual private cloud network? Option A is a physical network infrastructure that connects multiple data centers. Option B is a virtual network that provides isolation and control over cloud resources. Option C is a network protocol used for secure communication between servers. And option D is a cloud service provided by Google Cloud Platform. So the answer for question number 6 will be option number B, that is a virtual network that provides isolation and control over cloud resources. Question number 7 is which of the following is a characteristics of VPC peering in cloud environments? Option A is allows direct network access to instances across different regions. Option B is automatically routes traffic between paired VPCs without needing route table modifications. Option C is requires each VPC to be sorry to be in the same region to establish peering. And option D is provides low latency, high bandwidth connection between paired VPCs. So the correct answer for question number 7 will be option number D, that is provides low latency, high bandwidth connection between paired VPCs. Question number 8 is a hybrid cloud combines multiple public clouds from different providers. The above statement is true or false. So the given statement is false. Two more questions are remaining, so let's solve it fast. Question number 9 is which interconnection option provides a direct physical link between on-premises infrastructure and a public cloud provider? Option A is virtual private network, that is VPN. Option B is direct connect. Option C is internet peering. And option D is cloud load balancer. So the correct answer for question number 9 will be option number B, that is direct connect. Okay. So moving to the last question. Last question is, which load balancing option operates at the transport layer, that is layer 4 of the OSI model, Open System Interconnection model. So option A is network load balancer. Option B is HTTPS load balancer. Option C is internet TCP UDP load balancer. And option D is SSL proxy load balancer. So the correct answer will be network load balancer. Okay. So students, we have solved all the questions. Let's submit it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share it with native ones. Thank you.